A premium SUV that personifies opulence, agility, and state-of-the-art technology is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE is one of the most popular Mercedes-Benz vehicles because of its attractive exterior, ample powertrain choices, plush inside, and cutting-edge safety technology. Wherever your needs may be, a roomy family car, a sporty SUV, or something in between, the 2026 GLE provides an enjoyable ride and excellent handling. The exterior of the 2026 GLE showcases a contemporary take on Mercedes-Benz's distinctive design philosophy. With its striking grille design, prominent Mercedes-Benz logo, and intricate chrome details, the front fascia makes a strong impression on the road. The SUV has a modern, high-class appearance thanks to its sleek, angular LED headlamps with a unique two-line pattern. Sharp body lines and aerodynamic curves improve airflow and fuel efficiency, while also improving the vehicle's looks, as shown in the side profile. Sleek and attractive, particularly when lit up at night, the rear is achieved by the slim taillight's three-dimensional design, which blends flawlessly with the bodywork. There is a wide variety of engine options available for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. For optimal efficiency, there are turbocharged four-cylinder engines. For balanced power, there are smooth six-cylinder alternatives. And for optimum performance, there are strong V8 engines available in AMG variations. Thanks to innovative battery technology and regenerative energy systems, Mercedes' plug-in hybrid model improves fuel economy and decreases emissions, making it an attractive option for individuals seeking environmentally conscious solutions. Performance is fine-tuned for both highway driving and rough terrain, and the GLE offers a snappy and comfortable ride regardless of the engine option. With its adjustable air suspension and 4MATIC all-wheel drive technology, this vehicle can handle any road condition with ease and composure. The 2026 GLE's cabin is state-of-the-art and filled with luxury amenities. The layout combines contemporary style with practical design to make it user and passenger-friendly. Everywhere you look, you can feel the high-quality materials. Wood or aluminum trim, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting that transforms any ride into an adventure. Comfort over long distances is ensured by these chairs, which come with power adjustments, memory features, and optional massage settings. Sitting smack dab in the middle of the dashboard is a fully digital instrument cluster that gives you all the information you need to customize your drive, and a widescreen entertainment system that can link to your phone and take voice commands is right there as well. One of the main selling points of the 2026 GLE is how convenient and safe it is. It comes standard with a plethora of driver aids installed by Mercedes-Benz, such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. A more assured and risk-free driving experience is the result of the combined efforts of these systems. Starting at under $60,000 for the base model, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is an affordable luxury SUV. Fully loaded AMG variants and trims can cost over $100,000, depending on the setup. For individuals looking for top-tier performance and luxurious amenities, the 2026 GLE maintains its position as a premium SUV market leader with its combination of elegance, technology, and adaptability.